आपने कैसे सीखी? I want to know, what did you do? What was your process of learning that language?
I think what really helped me was everybody made it mandatory that सिर्फ इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे सब मेरे साथ. So the whole Miss Universe organization only spoke in English.
Friend, so I think now you must have watched that video, and you got to know how did Susmita Sen learn English language, and this is the only way. By using that way, all actors and actresses and all the celebrities, they learn this language just by creating that environment, just by making this mandatory for them to speak only English language. Don't speak even a single word in Hindi or their mother tongue. So this is the only way to learn this language, there is no doubt. But if I talk about the society in which we are living and the environment in which we are living, and we don't have that environment of English speaking environment, as well as there is no one to practice with, then how will we be able to create that environment for us to make ourselves enough able to speak this language? So in this video I am going to tell you how you can make it possible for you to become fluent English language without thinking a lot and without wasting too much time. So please make sure that you are going to watch this video till the very end, because I assure you after watching this video you will not get stuck, and you will not feel what should I do to learn this language. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Dehati ma'am, and this is Yashoda. And friends, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to learn this language and how to create English environment despite not having English environment. So all in all, I can say I will tell you the possible way to learn this language. Friends, there's no doubt we don't have any environment, we don't have anyone to speak with, we don't have anyone to practice English speaking. So how can we learn this language? So first of all, let me tell you, if you're a really determined person and you're really passionate about learning this language, then you can make it possible for you. No one can help you, no one can, neither someone others they will help you, nor they will make it easy for you. Your point of view, your passion, okay, your mindset will help you to make this happening for you in future, and you will be able to do that. How we can do that? You know friends, as all of us we know that there is not only one particular way to learn this language, there are several ways to learn this language. Just like listening, speaking, writing and reading. We can do these 4 practices, okay? Now after doing these 4 practices, then we can also put some extra effort to create that environment around us. Just spend half an hour for listening practice, half an hour for reading practice, half an hour for writing, and half an hour for reading. You will be definitely learn so many things from this. It could be difficult for you in the beginning, but believe me friends, over a period of time it will be easy for you. It will become easy for you, because then you will get accustomed to it. There's no doubt. Initially when I started learning this language, I followed all these steps to learn this language, and to some extent I was able to create that environment, but I couldn't have that proper English environment. Just because of this, I was not able to speak this language fluently. But if I talk about your passion, okay, so your passion make this possible for you, and after having this passion, after having this patience and determination, I followed all the rules. I have been following this, okay, and each and every day I speak despite not having English environment, despite having a hectic schedule, okay, despite not being able to create that environment for me. I always try to find positivity inside me and in my environment. So you have to create that positive environment around yourself, that there would be no one to pull your leg, there would be no one to make fun of you, and there would be no one to criticize you. If there is no one, then definitely you will have positive mindset, because sometimes just because of others' opinion, what others say about us, we always start feeling degrading, we always start defaming ourselves, and it's not good for it, okay? So you have to, first of all, you have to have that environment in which you will have only positive friends. You know, I have heard so many interviews, I have watched so many interviews, and they said only one thing, Just make it mandatory for you to speak this language. Don't try to speak even a single word apart from this language. Just make it mandatory, compulsory for you to speak only English. Just like whenever you are alone, you are at your home, always speak English with your mother, with your father. I know that in the beginning, they would feel very weird and strange. They will definitely taken aback by your behavior. But slowly they will understand your passion, your dedication towards learning English language, and then they will definitely support you. So instead of giving your attention to others' concern, what they consider about you, just think only about yourself and your dream. And I think if there is one person who is really passionate and who is really very dedicated and who have that resilience, so no one can stop you. Because sometimes we fall, and then it doesn't mean we have fallen, then it doesn't mean that we didn't have that much strength. You don't have that much strength. Everyone has that courage. You just need to figure it out. How can you get that strength? How can you have that much courage to accomplish your goal? And if you are able to have that much strength to make you enough able, okay, from your last attempt, then you will be able to get everything. And this, let alone this English language. In this life, everything is possible. Though it will be difficult, it's possible for each and everyone. In this world, no one is there who can't do anything. It totally depends on your mindset. Are you a positive person, or are you a person who always having self-doubt about yourself? That I can't do it. That person is saying that I don't have that much quality inside me. It means you don't. No, it's not right. So just having a belief system, having a faith in you will make you fluent in this language, and just keep thinking this language. Okay, so we will meet in the next video. Till then, keep watching and keep doing practice.